Scarlett Strati with Scarlett Strati Real Estate. I'd like to welcome you to 5162 Bird Boulevard in the desirable community of the Orchard, close to parks, trails, and top schools in the city. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, beautiful home offers 10-foot ceilings on the main level and open concept family room flowing into a beautiful bright kitchen. This cozy family room with all hardwood flooring flows into this beautiful gourmet kitchen with white quartz countertops, all stainless steel appliances, a real great space for the family to cook and enjoy their time. For further details on this incredible home, please do contact us at scarlettstrati.com.